test drive the 2021 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, FWD, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires front all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.